Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing 15 Amazon space-saving products that will help you maximize every inch of your home. Let's get started and make your small space feel huge. This ironing board is perfect for quick ironing needs, especially in smaller spaces. Its innovative folding design allows for easy storage, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or on-the-go use. Despite its compact size, it provides a sturdy ironing surface with a heat-resistant cover for efficient wrinkle removal. The built-in compartment is designed to keep your iron organized and within reach. Plus, the included sleek hanging hook lets you mount the board on walls or doors, saving space and keeping it handy when needed. This laundry drying rack is a practical solution for air-drying clothes both indoors and outdoors. Designed to be lightweight and foldable, it can easily collapse for storage when not in use, making it perfect for small spaces. Featuring multiple horizontal bars, it provides ample space to hang clothes to dry. Made from durable wood, it is both sturdy and portable, making it ideal for apartments, small homes, or laundry rooms. Its foldable design ensures easy storage, freeing up valuable space while still offering a reliable drying solution for all types of laundry. This versatile ottoman serves as both a comfortable seating and a practical storage solution. The cushioned top provides a cozy spot to relax, while the two spacious drawers help keep your living room, bedroom, or entryway organized, offering storage for everything from blankets and books to shoes and remote controls. Its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, saving space in smaller areas. Looking for a coffee table that does more? The lift-top convertible coffee table is here to make your life easier. With an adjustable height, it offers a comfortable experience whether you're relaxing or working. The top expands to become a spacious dining table, perfect for meals or gatherings, and comes with 4 matching stools for extra seating. It also provides ample storage with a hidden lift-up compartment and 2 drawers to keep everything organized. This shower caddy is the perfect solution for maximizing your shower space. With easy, tool-free installation using super grip suckers, it securely attaches to your shower walls without the need for drilling. The movable dividers allow for storing bottles of various sizes, while the hanging hook is perfect for keeping sponges and flannels within reach. Designed with convenience in mind, its self-draining structure ensures that water flows away, keeping your items dry and clean. This caddy is not only a space saver but also a practical, stylish addition to any shower. This over-the-sink dish rack is a space-saving and practical kitchen essential. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and supports heavy loads, ensuring long-lasting use. Its over-the-sink design frees up counter space while allowing water to drain directly into the sink, keeping your kitchen neat and dry. With multiple compartments for dishes, utensils, cutlery and cutting boards, it offers excellent organization. Perfect for compact kitchens or anyone seeking efficiency, this drying rack combines durability, functionality, and style. If you are tired of messy cabinets and bulky containers, these food storage containers are here to save the day. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, these containers are designed to keep your food fresh while saving valuable space in your cabinets. Whether you're storing leftovers, prepping meals, or packing snacks for on the go, these containers offer the perfect mix of practicality and convenience. They are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them ideal for everyday use. When not in use, simply collapse them to save space and keep your kitchen neat and organized. Plus, with their airtight and leak-proof seals, you can trust that your food will stay secure and fresh. Available in various sizes, these containers are perfect for all your food storage needs, whether it's a small snack or a full meal. This space-saving stool easily transforms into a sturdy ladder, offering extra height for reaching high shelves, cabinets, or light fixtures. Its compact design allows for easy folding and storage, making it ideal for apartments, kitchens, or offices with limited space. Despite its lightweight frame, the stool provides reliable support and stability for everyday tasks. Whether you need a step up for cleaning or a comfortable seat, this stool combines functionality with convenience. This sofa chair easily transforms from a chair to a bed, making it perfect for dorm rooms, living spaces, or game rooms. With 5 adjustable positions, you can customize it to suit your lounging, sitting, or sleeping needs. Made with high-density foam, it offers supportive comfort whether you're sitting up to read, lounging to watch TV, or reclining for a quick nap. Its compact design makes it space-saving, while the soft fabric provides a cozy feel. Designed to maximize space, this innovative hanger allows you to organize your clothes efficiently by hanging multiple garments vertically or horizontally. The 360-degree rotation feature lets you access your items with ease, making it simple to find what you need without moving other pieces around. Made from durable plastic, it provides a sturdy yet lightweight solution to keep your clothes neat and tidy. Whether you're storing shirts, pants, or accessories, this cascading hanger will help you save valuable closet space while keeping everything in perfect order. This set features a range of items such as mixing bowls, a sieve, a colander, and measuring cups, all with non-slip bases for stability during use. Made from durable, lightweight, BPA-free plastic, the set is easy to handle and built to last. The color-coded design ensures easy identification of each tool, making food prep, baking, and serving more convenient and practical. Perfect for kitchens with limited storage, this set combines functionality with a modern design, helping reduce clutter while offering all the essential tools in one space-saving package. This clothesline is designed to be mounted on a wall or other sturdy surface, and it features a retractable cord that can be extended when needed and retracted when not in use. The cord usually extends to a length suitable for hanging a full load of laundry, and it can be locked in place for secure drying. When finished, the retractable mechanism allows the cord to be neatly tucked away, freeing up space and keeping the area tidy. It is ideal for outdoor spaces like patios or balconies, as well as indoor areas where space is limited. This lightweight, expandable garden hose stretches to several times its original length when the water is turned on and contracts back to its compact size when the water is off. Made from durable, flexible materials, it's easy to maneuver and store. With various nozzle attachments, it offers different spray patterns for watering plants, cleaning, and other outdoor tasks. Its expandable design makes it perfect for those with limited storage space, as it coils easily for compact storage when not in use. This kitchen drawer organizer includes multiple compartments to neatly store forks, knives, spoons, and other kitchen tools, while additional sections are available for smaller items like measuring spoons, peelers, and graters. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, the design is both sleek and practical, with non-slip feet that keep the organizer in place. This organizer helps reduce drawer clutter and keeps utensils easily accessible, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen looking to maximize storage and maintain order. This caddy easily attaches to your faucet, providing a convenient place to store dish soap, sponges, and scrubbers. Made from durable stainless steel, it keeps your countertop clean and organized. The adjustable design fits various faucet sizes, while the open structure ensures proper drainage to keep your tools dry. Its compact size is perfect for smaller kitchens or reducing clutter around the sink. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.